go to Tractor Supply together. Let's go. I am looking for the brand new fall stuff, so I'm going to take you guys with me. The clearance stuff. Gosh, I spotted the cute stuff. I can't even get through here. Oh, goodness. I love that. This is too cute. I'm loving this. Ooh. Ooh. It's really cute. We got a lot of stuff. This is like a leather little tray. Just email me out of office. Cute. Another lamp. Oh my gosh, it smells like fall already. Oh, goodness. Do we get this? Little measuring cups. This is from spring, and this is the new fall. Oh my gosh, that's cute. This is really nice. I always wanted to get one of these. A little egg holder. Kind of cute. Blanket. A whole bunch of good stuff. Oh my goodness. Sasquatch approved. This ring of ducks. This is pretty awesome. There's more stuff. Oh my goodness. Is that so cute? It's a mirror. Gotta do that peace sign for you guys. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. Mine broke from the spring collection that they had. It was so cute, but mine broke. Got more cute stuff. Oh my gosh, which mug? It says winging it in it. This says, what's that say? Caffeinated? Oh my gosh. It's a cute little chicken. This egg holder is everything. Oh my goodness. Cute. This. Cute. Guys, it smells. I wish you could smell. Oh my gosh, this is cute, this pillow. I wish you could smell what it smells like in here. It's all full candles. One. Oh my gosh. Caramel apples really, really, really good. Pumpkin pie. Maybe. Oh my gosh, there's tons of good stuff. And stuff in. Not really into Halloween, but they got all that stuff. I'll show you guys the other side. Go here. And then this guy.